Welcome to our guide on how to quickly reply to emails in Gmail using your PC, featuring the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your inbox. Next, once you're in, scroll through your emails until you find the message you want to reply to. Take your time to locate it. It should stand out, especially if it's from someone important. Once you've found the email, right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the Reply option and click on it. This will open up a reply window, allowing you to get straight to the point without losing your rhythm. Now it's time to write your reply. Make sure to express your thoughts clearly and concisely. Whether you need to answer questions or provide additional information, focus on delivering your message effectively. Once you're satisfied with your response, look for the Send button, usually located at the bottom of the reply window. And that's it. You've just discovered how to reply quickly in Gmail using your PC with the new updates. This streamlined method makes managing your emails a breeze, letting you stay productive and efficient. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips and tricks.